Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today I am going to make a very tasty, authentic, simple dish, that is Chakka Thoran or Jackfruit Thoran, a typical South Indian dish which is very easy to cook and you can have it with your steamed hot rice. So let's start friends. First I have heated a pan. To this I am adding 2 teaspoonful of coconut oil. You can add any oil of your choice, any vegetable oil of your choice. First goes mustard seeds and then few curry leaves. You can add here green chilies also if you like to, but I have avoided them. And here are some sambar onions. These sambar onions are from my kitchen garden, so definitely they will have some special taste in my dish, I can assure you all friends. Well, you can use any other onions, sambar onions of your choice. Here goes a little bit of green chilies which I have added later, not earlier. Okay, now when the green chilies started having some little spots on them, I will be adding the jackfruit which I have boiled with a little bit of turmeric and salt. Now I'll give it a nice mix so that the tempering gets nicely mixed with the jackfruit. And after that I will be adding a little bit of masalas to it. First goes salt according to your taste. We have already added a little bit of salt while boiling, so be careful about that. And after salt, a little bit of turmeric powder, say 1/4 teaspoonful of turmeric powder goes into it. And I will be adding red chili powder. Here you can add red chili powder according to your taste. It is a bit spicy dish, so you can add that according to your taste buds. Here goes a little bit of chili flakes, and then I will be mixing all of them very nicely. If you like to add some sugar, you can add here, but which I have avoided today totally. Now after mixing this very nicely, I will be adding some grated coconut. 2 tablespoonful of grated coconut I have added. Now again a good mix and your dish is ready to serve. Yes friends, it's ready to serve. I'll show you all after serving, and then I will garnish it with a little bit of coconut, grated coconut on top, and few curry leaves. Do not add any coriander leaves to it or tomatoes to it, so that will hamper the taste and flavor of this thoran. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again. Keep me in your prayers. Thanks for watching.